Freshwater, the lifeline of all life on Earth, is becoming a commodity for the rich as poorer populations suffer a shortage. The Consultative Group on Environmental Agriculture Research carried out a study by 700 experts around the world over a 5-year period found that the most affected people were those ironically around river basins and other areas where the water was either overused or cannot be accessed due to lack of infrastructure. Placing pollutants and agriculture aside, there is only a mere 10% of water left over for human consumption because the water is first utilized for industry and agriculture. Moving away from the global dilemma and closer to home, we can see just how much this water shortage is affecting us here in the Rockies. The main water sources for most of the United States come from the mountains. In fact, many of the major tributaries to form some of the well-known rivers make their beginnings in Colorado. These rivers are the Arkansas, Platte, Rio Grande, and the Colorado. Some of these rivers, like the Colorado River, are so overused that the water rarely makes it to the ocean. Why is this scarcity happening, and what are the biggest factors contributing to how it will one day affect us personally? The answer is a simple one, yet strung with complex economic and social political pressures. In the end, the water issue comes down to money and the diminishing incentives to use water for practical agriculture and human consumption. Tyler McMahon and Matthew Ruhr, two professors from Colorado College, present their views on the matter in Water Sustainability in the Rockies. The authors point out how rural communities are harmed because of the water transfers to corporations and cities, making the land unusable for other important purposes like agriculture and environment. There is less incentive in rural areas for the farmers and landowners with water rights to use the water, so instead they sell the water rights because it is more profitable. This has created a money-driven landscape where the buy-up of water rights are making it harder for agriculture to flourish, along with affecting how much drinking water is available. This trend is happening worldwide and affecting the poor who do not have enough money to buy and have access to water. If this trend continues this way here in the Rockies, it's only a matter of time before we see shortages at the expense of the poor, where water becomes a commodity that only the wealthy can afford.